discuss about the generic function. What is doing the generic function? Generic function basically is working for those function which is duplicate, right, and that is removing the duplication function, right? And we can see our application as well, and I have the several API, and right, and when we need to decode the data with the several API, and we are creating the several function for decoding each and every API. So how can we handle with the JSON decode with the generic function, right? With the generic function for the similar function will call for decoding JSON data, all right? Okay, let's see. I have created, for example, I have created a method that is the get post data, which will provide us for the for the decode the data in the form of the title and body. I have this API, right, and this is the title and body, right, and I have a model object, right, and this is the model object. How can we pass into the generic function? Let's try to do this, right? And I have a build, right? What we print here, I have print everything with the title and body is here, and this is the title, all right, this is the body is here. You can see here, this is the title, is this one is the title and body is here. I have printed with the JSON decoder, and this is right title and this is the body. Okay, let's see. This is the title and this is the body, right? Okay, I have done with the function of JSON decoder. It's very simple for decoding, right? I think you guys have done. I have already make a video for JSON decode, right? You can see if you don't know the JSON decoder data, right? How to decode the data, or let's see how can we the same functions, right, for the generic functions. Let's copy and paste, right? Or let's copy and paste, sorry, let's copy and paste here, and this is going with the generic functions, right? Generic function, and I need to be add the generic method, generic data. Okay, and now for the generic I have an object model. Let's post and all post here, a title and body. This is the codable object here, and this is also the codable object here, right? For the generic, I want to know the properties of the generic, and this I have defined with the T, all right, and this is the T, and object should be the T, right? Every object is the T, and this is the I have applied for the optional for every object is the optional for if there is an empty, and that can be print on the empty, and otherwise the nil, right? Okay, you can see here I'm getting the error for actually I have the T object model. I have I have just written the T value. This is the type of the codable object. So I need to be add also this object with the codable with using the T, right? And you can see here that the T is what the object is here, and the object, every object is the codable type. So you need to be add here the codable, right? You need to be also add here the codable object. So the error has gone, right? Error has gone. You can see here. Let's call to this get generic data, right? Generic data is here, so you can see, and you can pass here the data will be passed here from with the objects, and error is here. Okay, I have an post, right? I have an post, right? And that object is similar with the what object will be passed here, the posts, right? It's the capitalize of the P, right? pause, right? And this is an error, right? If I got the nil of, I just check here, this is the optional, that's why I have check the error. If error equal to nil, right, and I need to be print with every object. So okay, actually I got an, okay, I have an optional, that's why I go, okay, that's error has gone. And let's check with every object with the post, right? The post has taken the array list of the post type of object, right? Post, and for each method I have apply for each method, right? And what I have a body, right? And this body has an every object my post, right? I have my post object, and you can print, right? This is very easy, you can understand what I have done here, right? And let's my post, right, dot, this is the title, and this is the my post, right? This is, and dot is body, right? You can see here, and everything will be fine with the generic function. And let's my first generic, right, API, first generic API, right? You can see API function, you can see the anything you want, right? You want to add here my first generic function, right? Let's print it. Okay, what is going on? Okay, it's the optional, let's mandatory, right? And let's comment it. I don't need to be all the things will printed here, right? Okay, let's my first generic will call. I did I did not much do this, right? This is very simple for you. Okay, I got everything is here. My first generic and every object is here. You can see what I am doing, right? This is the object, and this is the title and body of objects, right? Okay, we got with the generic function. Let's try again what I'm doing here. This is the T of the property of the generic, right? That is the every object need to be codable types. That's why I have added the codable. If you can, if the data type, if the object is the string, yeah, or NS object, that could be the NS object type, right? Okay, let's another API want to call. Okay, that's I have another API, you can see here, and this is the comment. Let's the comment, I have an API. So before this I need to be add this every URL is should be different. Okay, that's why I need to be add here, that's the URL string, right? URL string, don't forget it, bro. And let's what type what type will be added, this would be a string, right? And just copy and paste from here. And okay, sorry, actually I want to be add here for generic. Okay, you can add here, don't worry. This is your URL, right? URL string, right? This is a string, right? Alright, and let's copy and paste from here. What I got miss this ones. So let's go with this URL. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's copy here and you can paste from here. Okay, just remove it. Got it? And now you can also print. You can see what the result is happening, right? My first generic will be print. Okay, my first generic has data this, right? Let's do with another API. Let's another API like generic data, right? Generic data, and what we have the URL. I have a URL this one. I have URL this one, right? and I need to be add this URL. Okay, I have added. And now, okay, I need to be what the object is containing this API. I just name and email. I just need to be add the name and email, right? You should be add here the class, right? And that's comment, right? Comment model, right? And this is also the codable. You need to be add the codable, right? And what we have here, I have the name, right? You can copy and paste here the name, and this is the string. I need to be add the optional of variable, and let's email is here. Let's copy and paste the email, right? This is also the string, right? And every object need to be add the array list of, you can okay, let's using this only, don't worry about other things, right? And I need to be add here, or what object need to be add. Let's the comment, and the object will be the comment model, and error is error, right? Okay, this comment, right, every object is here comment. This is an array, right? And for each method I have apply here. Okay, let's go with every object, right? My comment, I have my comment, right? Or let's print everything, right? Print my, okay, my comment, right? And what we have, I have the comment, my comment, right? Dot, what we have, my comment, this one, the name. Okay, let's move it, comment for each, right? Okay, okay, what's going on, comment in, okay, okay, post in, okay, what we have, I have this ones, I have this ones, right? All right, comment, my comment dot, what we have, I have this ones, name and email, right? Name, this is the optionals, and another is my comment dot email. Actually I don't apply this like this type, you can see like this ones also, that's why this is the email, also the optionals. Now I need to be comment it all. Okay, I want to go with this API. What we have, this is also the options, that's why getting the error. Okay, let's fix it with everything, right? Let's comment with a similar, right? I have used a similar generic function. Let's, okay, I got the my comment ID, this one. Okay, you can see the ID, this one, sorry, name this ones, and email is this ones, Elicio, right? You can see here what is printed, I have this ones, right? You can see this one email, and this is the another comment, and this is also the email. Okay guys, this is very simple, right? And I hope you guys has understand everything, right? What I have done with the generic function. And actually we are using the several API, and for the several API need to be add with different function call for parsing and, yeah, or decoding, right? That's why I need to be add the generic functions, right? So you guys understand everything, okay? And guys, hope you subscribe my channels, and if you did not subscribe, Okay, thank you. For more video you need to be like and comment as well. And if you if you don't uh, if you don't understand anything, right, and let's comment on my video. I will reply soon, right? Thank you guys, bye and take care. Don't forget subscribe, okay, for more video. Thank you.